Hey everybody, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. My name's Matthew, I'm from Belfast, Northern Ireland, and I love to write code. I've been thinking it would be a great idea to create a YouTube channel where I could share all the things that I've learned about coding, programming, making awesome apps, and stuff like that. The videos that I'm going to create for this series are aimed at the complete beginner. No experience of programming required. As long as you have a computer and you're willing to have some fun, then you're ready to go. What is a program? A program is a series of instructions which are followed by a computer to accomplish an intended task. These instructions can be really simple or extremely complicated. For example, they can be used to print a simple message on the screen, they can be used to make awesome games, and they can be used for more serious things like controlling airplanes. It's up to us programmers to create these instructions that a computer will follow. When you've written the instructions that you want the computer to follow, how can the computer understand them? This is known as a process called compiling. What compiling does is it takes our instructions that we have written, so in this example, make Flappy Bird flap. We pass these into our compiler, which is another program that's been written, and it's designed to translate our instructions into a form that the computer can understand. When the compiler's finished, boom, out the other end comes a program. This program can be executed on your computer and it'll perform the tasks that the programmer has told the computer to do. The instructions that we write are written following the rules specified by a programming language. There are many different types of programming languages. One of the most popular is Java. This is the language I will use later in the series to help show some of the fundamentals of programming. We must follow the rules, or syntax as is commonly known, of the programming language. This is so that the compiler is able to translate it into a form that the computer can execute. If we didn't follow the programming language, we would be writing code that was syntactically incorrect. That's a very complicated way of saying that you haven't followed the rules of the language, the compiler isn't able to understand it, and therefore isn't able to translate it into a form that the computer can use. When you write code that is syntactically correct, this is code that the compiler is able to understand, it's able to translate it into a form that the computer can execute and will execute. So this is the end of this very short and simple introduction into programming. Next episode I will explore more of the structure of a program. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Happy coding!